Look
at here. There's your 11.
Appreciate it.
Oh, I did.
There it is, y'all. Let me go ahead and touch them, man. Hey, I'm gonna miss y'all. We're gonna have to do something else to get some more.
Yeah, but we can't wait to see the after effects on that car.
Right. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all probably think I'm trying to hide my eyes, but I got these new Versace glasses for Christmas. And the sun was out today, and I figure I just spoiled them. But there go my sleepy eyes anyway. But anyway, we'll put these back on. But welcome back to the channel, guys. Of course, this is pre-recorded. I haven't spoke with y'all guys for a minute on my YouTube channel. I've been just pretty much actually taking a break. And along with that break, what caused the break is a little stress about trying to get a project done for you all, and it's not going the proper way that I expected it to be going. So this video right here is pre-recorded. Today will be my birthday when this video posts, January the 3rd. I should be somewhere celebrating my birthday. Going to Jamaica this year, so that's what I'll be. So I just want to kind of bring y'all along with me in this transformation of TBIRD 5.0. Like I said, remember, the next video that you're going to see is going to be the video where I went to the parts store and I purchased my material to paint TBIRD 5.0. And let's just say this. I recorded that video that you're about to see this time last year. So TBIRD 5.0 should have been done by now. But, you know, I trusted people to actually help me make my dreams come true. And it was a flop somewhere along the way. So I invite you to come along with me on this journey as I go head first with whatever's about to happen. I don't know what's about to happen, but I want to bring you all with me to show you the journey that I've already started and the next journey of completion, which I don't know where it's going to end up, but just follow along the way and you'll see just as well as I will see. But in the meantime, this next video that's about to come up, it's been recorded a whole year ago. It's when I went to the parts store and I bought material. Keep in mind, the funds that you're gonna see me purchase the material is from my YouTube. It's from my YouTube. Whatever little $100, $150, $200 I got from bringing y'all footage, from posting videos over the year, I put that back to put back into the channel, put back into the car that brings y'all demos. So this money didn't come from my, should I say, hard work, working every day. That money is to take care of me and my family, pay my bills. But the YouTube money that I get back every month, I put that into my channel. I put that into hotel rooms. I put that into fuel, you know, going back and forth to these places. I put that in tires for my blow-through F-150. You know what I'm saying? These 30-inch tires are like $300 a piece. I put that all back into continue to bring y'all footage. So, you know, don't get it twisted, you know, thinking I got it laid out for me. I work for every little thing I get and everything that I do. You know what I'm saying? It's not given to me in no type, shape, form, or fashion. But like I said, today is my birthday. And like I always tell you all, if you all want to contribute to help me with this channel or with the project that I have going on with TBIRD 5.0, you can do that. I'll leave my Cash App in the description, and I'll leave my Cash App up here. If you want to bless me for my birthday, I really would appreciate that. Better yet, if you feel like you don't want to give me anything, I still got some teas for sale. I will put in the description also what size I have available. And you can contact me through my email. I'll leave my email also in the description. If you want to purchase a shirt, we can do it by email. My website that I had, I put it on, I froze it for now, because why pay money for a website every month, and then I'm not actually making any money off of the products that I have in there. So better yet, like I said, if you don't want to actually give me anything for my birthday, or if you don't want to support me, period, but just purchase a t-shirt. Like I said, then again, I put the sizes down in the description, and I put my email. You can contact me through my email. I have PayPal, I have Cash App, and like I said, I'll ship it to you. But in the meantime, I hope everybody had a blessed Christmas and a good New Year. So looking forward to 2024. With this journey, I need to get some things finished, and TBIRD 5.0 need to be one of them. So with that being said, y'all help me make that dream come true. Enjoy the next video, and y'all wish me a happy birthday, and I hope everybody had fun over the holidays. Hope everybody's alive and well. But be looking for some great footage, man, for 2024. I just got to get over this stepping stone right now that I'm going through right now with TBIRD 5.0, and after that, we down here. I got some great things to show you all. Great things come for Blow Through F-150. Great things come for TBIRD 5.0. But like I say, enjoy the next video. And like I said, this is me showing y'all the color that I'm gonna put on TBIRD 5.0. That part I was not gonna reveal, but at the same token, I have so much to say, guys. I have so much to say, but I'm just gonna kind of hold it off for a minute, because I'm really just kind of like, I'm disappointed at the same time, and I'm angry at the same time. But at the same token, I'm gonna put God first. I'm gonna let God fight my battles, and whoever feel like they're against me, they gotta go against him first. So enjoy the next video, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna pass y'all these. So guys, here's all my material. We boxing it up. Old Joe here at Napa Meridian. Y'all ever need any?
Taking care of it, man.
Y'all ever need any paint for your vehicle? Y'all come down here at Napa and Meridian over here, Sellers Drive, and see old Joe.
Selling 48 years in the business.
48 years.
Here's your yellow frame.
Tell you what, I'm gonna have to kind of level that out, because I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna be awkward. That's good for that one. You just
Give me the same paper you put in here.
Just these.
Yeah. And tape. Give me these.
All right, then the last box will cover all these.
Yeah, that's good. Here's your sealer. That's a gallon sealer. Raise that in.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Here's it. I'll give you this one.
All right. What's that?
Case are clear.
Oh, clear?
Yep.
Just sit on top right there.
Now let me get you some sticks and fingers. Okay?
All right, guys, I'm gonna try to show y'all the color. That's it right here. That's the color. Of course, if you put it in the shade, I mean, it's still a deep burgundy, but it gets a little darker. But then when the sun hits it, let's see what it does. So that'll be the color I'm going with. Right there. I mean, it still has like a, it might fool you sometimes that it's black, but for the most part, it looked more of a dark, deep maroon. So the color is called, it's a forward color, of course. Raw crimson metallic.
Give me life earned.
Yeah. Let's see.
I can't think of a better person.
Give it to.
I tell you what, it's like put money back. I had to go back to the old way when I was a kid, and that's getting my little bag and paying myself every week.
That's right.
Yeah. We can't have to count it up. I just hate count money. Alright.
Every time I hit the streets, trying to get this paper. G14, that's Swisher Sweet. I see a bitch, break a bitch, it's a rap. Buy 'em low, sell 'em high, and I care. I went from chrome to bricks to lay 'em down with the strap. Show no pity, feel like ballin' titty, nigga, and that's a rap. I can't live without it. I gotta go and get it. Money makes the whole world go round. And if you talking about getting it, I'm down. I'm down. I can't live without it. I gotta go and get it. Money makes the whole world go round.
The railroad station out there on 493, across from the Hoonan, ain't got no roof over the shelter now. Over the thing. It failed last night.
Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's about that cash flow. It's about that hustle, man. It's about that bankroll. It's about that hustle game. We talking green money. We breaking green down. We busting switches. We burn it by the pound. We talking stacking bread. Whatever it takes to make it. We talking cracking heads. When niggas is trying to shake it. It's about that bad bitch. It's about that pretty car. Taking long trips and smoking big cigars. It's about that shoe chain. It's about that new change. It's about that fresh breath. It's about helping yourself. It's about what's in your heart. It's about if you got heart, you gotta be 100. Nigga from the start. I can't live without it. I gotta go and get it. Money makes stuff.
Alright. So we got some money left over.
We got a little cash left.
20, we got 20, 40,
I'll take care of that
60,
left.
80, 100. We got $110 left over I to save. I was looking.
Look at this. Extra left.
Appreciate it. Woo, I did. There it is, y'all. Let me go ahead and touch them, man. Hey, I'm gonna miss y'all. We're gonna have to do something else to get some more.
Yeah, but we can't wait to see the after effects on that car.
Right, exactly.
Saying goodbye.
Have to say goodbye to my money, guys. All right, next up, we'll be taking the car to the shop.
I used to keep 8 balls in my sock drawer. Every session is progression, every each